Yeah, yes.
Good morning.
Wait a minute, I'm not doing something here.
Good morning.
Let's see.
I could hear you and see you.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Okay, well, let's see if we.
Now I can't hear you. I think you put yourself back on mute.
Now you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Can you see me?
You're in driving
I
mode.
cannot see you.
Leave out of there.
What is driving mode?
Get out of there. You're in driving mode.
Leave meeting? No.
Cancel.
How do I get out of driving mode? Oh, man.
Are you on your phone?
Yeah, I'm using an iPhone. It says safe driving mode. How do I get out of that? And I'm not an iPhone person, so.
I'm not either, unfortunately.
That's it.
Are you here for Mohammed?
Yes.
Okay. Let me grab the magistrate, and then we assumed that he wanted an attorney. Was that the case or no?
You want an attorney?
Yes.
Okay, so I will have the attorney join on. So just give me a few minutes. You can troubleshoot that, and I'll get the attorney to join on so that she can speak with him, okay?
Okay,
All right, I'll be right back.
thanks.
You just don't you go to the Zoom app?
I don't know.
You want me to play with it?
Please.
Okay, cool.
Hello? You gotta leave to get to. Maybe you gotta leave the meeting to get to the settings and go back.
Probably.
Okay, how are we doing over there? It looks like your video is working, but it says that you're connecting to audio. Good morning, can you hear me? If you can hear me, I can't hear you. It looks like you're not on mute, but I don't have any audio coming through. Good morning, can you hear me on your end? I can see you, but I don't have any audio coming through, but it does not look like you're on mute. It looks like the audio might just not be connected. You might have to click join with audio. If you click that little microphone button, there might be an option to call in with audio or join with audio or something like that. Okay, so it looks like your audio might be working now. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now.
Perfect. So now I lost the video, but at least I can hear you. There we go. Can you still hear me okay?
We can hear you just fine.
All right, so we have audio and video working, and the attorney should be showing up any moment now. What we'll do is put the defendant in a breakout room to speak with the attorney so that they can have a private conversation. And then as soon as they're done, we'll get the magistrate in here to do the arraignment.
Okay.
So we'll just wait here a moment. We just spoke with her, so she should be on in just a minute or two.
That was on a federal supervised release
Hmm?
you're referring to?
I need the paperwork to give to my supervision officer from the case. It was in front of Judge Prentice Edwards. I think I went to court on the 29th.
What was the outcome on that case?
Hmm?
What was the outcome on that case?
He set a bond, and that was set my next court date for the 16th.
You're on federal supervision right now?
Yes, sir.
All right. I thought I sent that over to them.
To who?
To your federal supervision. I forgot the guy's name.
Have a guy.
You know what your agent is over there?
Yeah,
What's your agent's name?
Catherine.
What is it?
Catherine.
That's your last name?
I guess.
Okay. You know where that's out of?
What do you mean?
Is it downtown? Does it belong out in Ypsi, Lansing, where?
I think downtown.
Good morning, Teresa.
Good morning.
So I have Kashmir Muhammad for you. I will get you into a breakout room.
Okay, thank you.
Mhm.
I gotta click the video stuff again. Nope. I'm still on. Yeah.
Morning, morning, morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Al Hindman, the magistrate, today's a date and time set for an arraignment on a Kashmir Mohammed. Hold on 1 minute. I got a call that's pertaining to this case. Hold on.
Volume 16.
All right, I'm back. Recalling the case, Kashmir Mohammed. This is a bench warrant, failed to appear on an aggravated domestic violence. Mr. Mohammed, you have an attorney present.
Teresa Patton appearing on behalf of Mr. Muhammad, who's present on the screen.
This case was scheduled for a Zoom pretrial on September 3rd, 2020 with Judge Oakley. Mr. Mohammed failed to appear. He now appears that he's in custody downtown.
I believe he was in custody on that day as well. Am I correct, Mr. Muhammad?
Yes, ma'am. I've been in custody since August the 19th.
Yeah, he's been in custody the entire time.
Officer, the jail records indicate the same.
Just a moment, Your Honor, let me double check.
I was in St. Clair County from then, and I came here on the 15th of October.
You know, Teresa, this is kind of, I don't get it, because the whole system's all about convenience of video, and based upon the current events going on, if he was in custody, how he missed the call. And I think it's on the end of technology there. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yes. And Your Honor, he had a federal hold too, so there could have been a mix up between the different levels of government and where he was and all of that too.
This is the bond rec from Wayne County, but you're right, it doesn't.
What is his, what's his current status?
He has gone before the authorities on the federal case. According to him, he has a $10,000 unsecured bond with them, which is what we would call a personal. He has to go through DV classes, AA and NA. He has to have a sober length, and once he's released, he has to be put on a GPS tether and then no contact with the complaining witness in this case. The federal case didn't have anything to do with her. It was a previous drug case that he had from quite a few years ago, 2009, but they've already given him a bond on that. So our case is the only thing, this case is the only thing holding him.
So what you just went through about the sober link and the GPS, that's pertaining to the complainant on this case?
It is not. It's the pertaining to the federal case because of this case.
Okay. So let's just jump into bond.
Yes, I was going to ask for a personal bond on him, considering that he is under federal supervision as well. He's going to have a GPS tether. and other ways of dealing with him. They're already ordering him to do DV classes, even though that case didn't have anything to do with our complainant. So I was going to ask for a personal bond in this matter because of all of that supervision.
Okay. And if the officer comes back and tells me he's been there ever since, I think we're going to go right down that road.
Okay.
Okay, Your Honor, I don't have direct access to a computer at the moment. The Sheriff's Connect has a booking date of October 15th. But I don't think that was the only time he was booked in here.
He's pulling out all of his federal paperwork.
I had spoke with Sumter. That was that call that I left with. Mr. Mohammed, you
Yes, sir.
spoke with your attorney, and I totally convinced she's explained the seriousness of this case to you. So pay close attention to details.
This is Kevin the
No
19th.
contact with the complainant victim.
Mr. Muhammad,
Yes, ma'am.
Your Honor, speaking to you. I know you're trying to show the officer your papers from federal court, but can you take a moment just to speak with Magistrate Hindman, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Mr. Mohammed, pay close attention to detail. No contact with the complainant victim in this case. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Sharice Pellin, and we know you cannot return to, be in or around or near 28 Carriage Lane North in Sumter Township. Am I clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
No third-party contact. You can't send a message to a family member or friend. No cell phone, text messaging, or any social media contact.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your bond's $5,000 personal. And that's only because you have an attorney here that conveyed some serious information to me pertaining to your situation. A new pretrial date. 11/19 at 10:40 a.m.
And that
Contact information for you. Your last 3 digits of your street address, Mr. Mohammed.
my last 3 digits. The address is 14953.
Okay, and that's a good address, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
And a phone number, the last 4 digits are 8434, correct?
Yes, but I have been in custody and my phone is now off. I'm not sure if I'll be able to get that same number.
Right. As long as that address is good. Excuse me. Officer case number 20-1449. It's a $5,000 personal with those conditions, and that I'm noting in the file that he's going to be placed on a GPS tether on another case.
Your Honor, if we may, if I may instruct, Mr. Muhammad,
Yes, ma'am.
once you're released, and you have a phone number, would you please contact the court and update your phone number?
Yes, ma'am. Can I have the number to the courts, please?
734-941-4462.
941-4462.
Yep. And right over the recording, press 206.
And then you said press 206.
Yep.
Okay.
So you have a civil infraction we'll deal with on that time of a speeding. Well, matter of fact, you've been in custody for, I'm going to give you credit for time served. Patricia, you agree with that? Did I lose you?
I'm here, Your Honor.
Reference your speeding ticket in Sumter Township, outstanding balance 320. I'm giving you credit for time served. You will have to pay this SOS fees if there's any on this case, okay?
Yes, sir.
That means
Huh.
Secretary of State, Mr. Muhammad.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
That gets rid of that case.
thank you.
We're all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have a good day.
You too. Did you see what I was talking about though?
Yeah. Now, your case that you got here with us, did you already got another bond with a tether?
Yep. So I'm gonna have 2 tellers now.
No, it's just gonna be the one tether.
No, I'm saying I got a teller on this federal.
For the federal?
Yeah. And then for the one here, I bonded out, and I guess this what was holding me.
That's what was holding you up?
Yeah, I think so. All right. What's up, bro?